Hey guys, what is up and welcome to another video from the editing studio. It's been a while and today we're diving deep into the world of photo editing with one of my absolute favorite presets from VSCO, the VSCO A6 for Lightroom and Lightroom Mobile. If you want to give your photos that warm, cinematic look, you're in for a treat. But first, let's talk about what the VSCO A6 preset is all about. VSCO is renowned for its beautiful preset and the A6 is a real gem. It's known for its ability to add a touch of nostalgia to your photos with its soft, warm tones and subtle fades. I've selected a few sample photos to showcase just how powerful the A6 preset can be, so let's take a look at the transformation it can bring to your photos. From the original photo to the final result, you can see the magic unfold. But here's where the real fun begins. Let me share some tips and tricks for getting the most out of the VSCO A6 preset. First, experiment with the intensity of the preset. You can dial it up for a stronger effect or tone it down for a more subtle look. This works both for Lightroom on your desktop as well as on your phone. Pay attention to the white balance and exposure adjustments to fine-tune your image. And don't forget to try it on different types of photos, portraits, landscapes, and even street photography. A6 can work wonders in various scenarios, and that's why it's a favorite preset of mine. So there you have it, the VSCO A6 preset for Lightroom. It's a fantastic tool to add to that touch of cinematic beauty to your photos. Whether you're a professional photographer or just starting out, A6 can take your editing to the next level. If you're excited to try the VSCO A6 preset for yourself, you can find it on our website at theeditingstudio.co, and I've also included a link in the video description below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to my channel for more photography tips and preset reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.